Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix your games keep being downloaded even while playing on GOG Galaxy in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you have been experiencing this issue, it may be due to your download settings here on GOG Galaxy. So let me show you how you can solve this. Launch GOG Galaxy, log into your account and click into that gear icon in the top left and select settings. Next, navigate to installing and updating here to the left, and here guys, scroll down a bit and under bandwidth, make sure that you enable pause downloads when playing. If you've accidentally turned this off guys, it may be because it may be causing this issue, so these games keep being downloaded even while playing. So with that feature enabled, you will be able to stop these downloads while playing. Alternately guys, or as an extra measure, you may also limit the bandwidth for these downloads below. Enable this checkbox, set your maximum bandwidth limit for these downloads, and that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.